Hi everybody, in today's video I have some very exciting stuff to share with you guys. So a couple of weeks ago I was approached by a company called Laguna Moon Beauty to see if I was interested in doing a product review and tutorial for you guys on some of their gel polish products. So these are considered soak off gel polish. Basically what that means is you can soak this off with acetone instead of having to get it like changed out at a salon. So they sent me a couple of things to review. The first thing they sent is a top coat and base coat set. You don't have to use these specifically with the polishes, but this is the set that they sent, and it was very nice. I do like the sizes of these bottles. They're 15 milliliter bottles, which I think is a nice size for the product. The blue is the base coat, and then the pink is the top coat. And then they also sent over a 6-piece polish set. And these you will need a UV or LED light in order to get the polish to activate. And this is called a 6-color themed collection. So if you get on Amazon, and I will post the link for that down below, they have a ton of 6-piece sets that all center around a theme. The theme that I was sent and that I chose is called the Bridesmaids. And this is a lot of classic shades that are perfect for weddings or just any time of year wear, in my opinion. So that's why I decided to go with them. I think that when you do use a gel polish, you're kind of looking for a long wear time with your manicures, and I think when you want a long wear time, classic colors are nice for that. So I love the packaging on this, you guys. I think it's super cute. You can just put it up on a shelf like this because all the polishes are in here. It's easy to store. So I really like the package that they sent these in. Then there's a little string here on the end you pull out, and all 6 of the polishes are stored here. So I thought that was really fun. And the other thing you're going to need to use with these polishes is a UV or LED light. They did not send me that. I already had one. But basically these are either UV or LED lights. You stick your fingers in here in order to cure the gel polish. And that's kind of what gives it the extra wear time. So these are available, I would think, pretty much anywhere. My son bought me mine at Walmart a couple of Christmases ago. I'm sure you could find them Sally's, Ulta, Target, Walgreens, all of those places. And they're not too pricey to get. So you will need that. The first polish I tried from the collection is number CL258. And the bottles are dark on these because if the light hits them, then it kind of activates the stuff in the polish. So they have to be in an opaque bottle so that light does not hit it. This is a gorgeous sheer pink with a ton of silver glitter. I think it's a perfect polish that fits into their bridesmaid theme, and I think it's really pretty. It's kind of subtle, but then you get that little bit of glitter, which is gorgeous on the nails. This did take me 3 coats to get opaque, but they weren't horrible coats. And if you do like more of just a wash of color type look, like some people do where you still see visible nail line, 2 coats of this does give you that look. But I went for full opacity, and that did take 3. Beautiful polish. So the first thing you want to do before you go in with the base coat is clean your nails with pure acetone. If you have any oils or anything on your nails, the polish will not cure correctly. Then you put on 1 coat of the base coat. And this is the only one where I'm going to show you all of the steps. Everything else will just show you swatches. Then you go ahead and you cure that base coat under the light. My light has a timer. The lights turn off once the time has passed that you need, but all lights are different, so you may want to check the instructions on your specific light. Next step is you go in with the first coat of the polish. So you can see here, these have a really good formula. I thought all of them were actually really easy to apply. This is a gorgeous pink with some shimmer and glitter. And I'm just going to put 1 even coat on all the nails. After this coat, you apply a coat of top coat, and then you go ahead and stick it into the light to cure. And then you're just going to repeat this process over and over for how many coats of polish you need to get the opacity you want. So here I'm going in with the second coat of polish, and What I like about this is when you go in to cure it, it actually dries it, so you don't have to worry about dry time or like pulling up the first layer of polish like sometimes happens with regular nail polish. The layer underneath is already dry, so that is helpful in the application. And then after this second coat, you're also going to apply another coat of top coat and then put your nails back under the lamp again. You need either a UV or LED lamp for these polishes to work correctly. And then since this polish was a little bit on the sheer side, I'm going to go for the third coat to get rid of any visible nail line. Some people do prefer that little bit of, just like I say, a touch of color, and 2 coats may be perfect for some people. This color is so pretty. I could see like a bride wearing this, bridesmaids. It's just perfect for a lot of different occasions because it does have a little bit of sparkle, but it is kind of like subdued also. So that's going to be my final coat of polish, and then I'm going to go ahead and put on another coat of top coat over all of the nails. I would perform cleanup between each coat before you cure with the top coat, because after that you will not be able to get any cleanup done. So make sure you do cleanup before you put your hands into the light with the top coat. That is one thing I did notice. And then this is just the final pass of the light for this polish. And as you can see here, it's super glossy, super pretty. I love the way these gel polishes just look on the nails. So for removal, I scruffed up the surface of the nails with a file, and then I let it soak with pure acetone wrapped in foil for about 15 minutes, and then it peels right off. Next polish from the collection I'm going to swatch is CL067. And you guys, oh, this polish was one of my favorites out of the whole thing. This is a very gorgeous, like purpley leaning taupe color. I think this is a very classic neutral. I think it will look good on a ton of skin tones. The formula was excellent on this. It was 2 coats to get opaque. The top coat, after you cure it in the light, just gives it the most gorgeous shine. That is one thing I do love about gel polishes, is just how shiny and like juicy they look on the nails. And that's a hard look to get sometimes with just regular polish, so I did enjoy that about these polishes. So this is going to be the first coat of CL067, and you guys, I love this color and I love the formula on this. This polish pretty much applies itself and just goes on like butter. So that's coat 1. Now I'm going to go in with coat 2, and as you can see, coat 2 brings it to full opacity. And then once you cure this under the light with the top coat, it is just so shiny and so gorgeous. And this is 2 coats of CL067. The next color I'm going to swatch for you is CL263. This is another really gorgeous pink. This is a baby pink with like some light shimmer in there. This did take 2 coats to get opaque. The coats on this one were not as smooth as the cream polish, but this is another beautiful like bridesmaid type color. I think it's gorgeous for people who don't want their color to be very in your face. It's a very delicate, almost like a ballerina slipper color pink. It's really pretty, and it had a great formula, also great shine, just like the other ones once you apply the top coat and cure it. So another gorgeous polish. So this is going to be the first coat of CL263. I thought the formula on this polish was a tiny bit tricky, but given the type of color it is, it wasn't too bad. It could have been worse, I think. And that's the first coat there. So I'm going in for the second coat, and this pretty much gets you a full opacity for such a light ballet slipper type pink. This is 2 coats of CL263. Polish. This polish here was my favorite of the whole collection. This is CL019, and this is just a gorgeous like bubblegum pink cream. I loved the color of this polish, and I loved how shiny it came out after I cured that top coat. I could see myself wearing this polish several times a year, spring, summer. I think it would even transition nicely into fall. And if you're not a seasonal polish wearer, this is just like a gorgeous, gorgeous classic pink cream. Like I told you guys before, pink is my favorite color, cream is my favorite finish, and this was just like perfection on the nails. 2 coats to get opaque, beautiful formula. I will probably put this on like on vacation next time when I don't really want to worry about chips and things like that. I think these gel polishes are perfect for like extended trips, or just like when you know you're not going to have time to worry about fixing your nails. So probably next vacation I could see myself wearing this pedicure and manicure. It's just so gorgeous. This is another polish that pretty much just applied itself. This had a great super smooth formula, and for the color that it is, I just thought it went on really nice. This is the first coat of CL019, and just look at that pink, you guys. You know I love a pink, and I am just in love with this polish. It's super glossy once you get it under the final light to cure, and this picture here is going to be 2 coats of CL019. Oh, I am dying with that, you guys, dying. The next polish I swatched is CL065. And this is just another gorgeous neutral. This is a gray cream polish, a little bit more gray leaning than the first polish I showed you, and also a tad darker. I loved this on the nails. This is just another color I could see you putting on, not worrying about for a few weeks, and just really loving the look of it all the time. This was super glossy after you cure the top coat, and I just think it's a color that is very versatile and you can wear all year round. Beautiful formula, gorgeous polish. So this is the first coat of CL065, and you guys, this polish just goes on so smooth. It has a great 2-coat formula, and it's super easy to control. It doesn't hardly need any cleanup. There's the first coat. Here's the second coat, and I just love this kind of green leaning gray. I think it's a gorgeous color, and this is 2 coats of CL065. Look how pretty that is, you guys. And then the last polish I swatched is CL063, and then this is another gray cream, but it's a touch lighter than the shade I showed you before. But again, just another really nice neutral polish. It was super shiny after the top coat was cured. These are just polishes that I feel I could see myself putting on and just wanting to wear for the length of time, because they're just very versatile. They go with everything. They're the perfect neutrals, and they have that super glossy look that's gonna last because it is gel. So this is another gray. This is CL063, and as you can see, this is more of a true gray color, and also just a touch lighter than the polish before. But formula on this is also just excellent. The polish doesn't run, it doesn't pool, it doesn't flood the cuticles, and it just takes 2 coats to get opaque. I loved how shiny this was after I put on the final top coat and cured it under the lamp. This is 2 coats of CL063, and just another polish I am in love with. So that is all of the polishes in the 6-piece set. I hope you guys enjoyed the live swatching and also the tutorial portion, just kind of showing you how all of this works. They set up a coupon code for 30% off just for you guys for this specific set, the Bridesmaids. This set retails for $13.99 on Amazon, so you get 30% off of that $13.99. I think that is a great deal for 6 polishes. Plus, that coupon code is good till December 31st, and you can use it as many times as you want. So like if you want to buy one set, then go back in and buy another set and get the 30% off, you can use the code like that. I think that is perfect now that the holidays are coming up. If you know people who like to do gel manicures at home, or someone who's kind of been thinking about it, this would be a great gift. I love how it's packaged. I would love to get this. I think it's just a really cute idea. And then they did another discount code, but this is a little bit different. So it's 3 specific codes, one time only use for the base and top coat set. So I think how I'm going to set those up is the first 3 people that comment on this video saying that they would like to try a base and top coat set, I will give each person one of those discount codes so that you can order yourself a set. That code will be good for 30% off of this set. This set retails for $7.49 on Amazon. So that's another great deal, because I know that I spend maybe $5 to $6 on a base and top coat just for regular polish. You get 2 for $7.49, and then if you're one of the 3 people who says they're interested first, you'll get 30% off of that. And then they have one more promo going for you guys. So if you like their Facebook page, Laguna Moon Beauty, which I will link down below, and you send them a message, they will message you back about information on how to get a free gel polish. So make sure you guys do that, because that sounds very exciting. So overall, I really did enjoy these gel polishes. I thought the colors on them were really beautiful neutrals. I think that the Bridesmaid name that they're going for, they completely hit with it. These are polishes that you could wear for pretty much any occasion. A ton of beautiful neutrals, and then of course pinks, which you guys know I love. And I think that they're a really great value. 6 polishes for $13.99 is a great deal. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review and tutorial, and I hope that you're as excited about the coupon codes as I am. I think it's a great deal. It's just for you guys, so I think that's really exciting. If you have any questions on how to use the coupon codes or anything like that, leave me a message. Leave me a comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram. So I just wanted to thank Laguna Moon Beauty for giving me the opportunity to review these products for you guys. And if you like the video, please make sure to click the like button down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And thanks you guys for watching. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.